Realtor Sonja Rankin here, aka Admin Sonja, and so here we have Rankin's Fun List. You'll see a link to this below. You can check that out, Rankin's Fun List. We have all kinds of different fun events. There's a featured park every month, and every month I update this with new things and events to do, places to go, things to see. We always feature 3 different restaurants, so if they're in your neck of the woods, you can go check them out. This month we have Valentine's Day this month, so you can check out these local restaurants. These are particularly romantic restaurants, so feel free to see those. As we continue on, let's get into the events for this month. Also on Rankin's Fun List, there's all kinds of different events posted down here where you can see the flyers, get an idea about what you're getting yourself into. But let's pop on over to the events on Facebook. So first we have wine tasting tomorrow at 9 a.m. This is at Chautauqua Vineyards Winery, Chautauqua Vineyards Winery. This is over in Defuniak Springs, so check that out. They get started early over in Defuniak, 9 a.m. There is a blacksmithing intensive, so you get to forge a warhammer over here. This seems like a really cool event. That's tomorrow at 9 a.m. as well. Over at Pet Supermarket in Fort Walton Beach, over by Uptown Station, they're having an adoption event. So if you would like to go by there and check it out, I always try to support these adoption events because they really do help out our local community, help them out, help get some of these pets off the street so they don't go to a kill shelter. Then we come over to Panama City. I don't typically report on Panama City because it's a little bit further, but check it out. So Saturday, February 18th, and Sunday, February the 19th in Panama City, they're having a food truck and craft beer festival. Way back in the day when I was on Plenty of Fish, way before I was married, I had a first date scheduled to be at the food truck festival in Panama City, and he canceled on me, and that didn't end up happening, and I'm grateful it didn't because I ended up meeting my husband shortly after then, my to-be husband, who is now my husband after then. So here we go. Tomorrow at 11 a.m. we have a bud and boil crawfish. Bud and boil crawfish. So you can come on over and check that out. I'll be honest with you, I left a teeth whitener on way too long last night. My teeth are crazy sensitive and it's been messing with my head all day. Like, my teeth are super sensitive and I'm probably making weird faces too. So it is affecting my tongue twisting abilities here. But you can check that out if you're interested. Tomorrow we also have a Mardi Gras celebration in Harbor Walk Village, so that would be awesome to check out, tomorrow being Saturday at this point. I'm going to be over here for this. This is tomorrow, Saturday, over in Niceville, Florida at 5:30 p.m. We'll get there earlier than that, but this is going to be Third Planet's annual bonfire, so I thought this was going to be really cool. You can check out this event on Facebook, and there's some information to it. Some of the areas are 21 and up, so make sure you know. And especially if you're 17, 18, 19, 20, and you're wanting to check it out, I want to make sure you can get in if you're interested in the bonfire. So check out that and make sure you're aware of the rules. Then we have tomorrow, Saturday at 6 p.m. a movie on the beach over at Hurlburt Field Outdoor Recreation Area. And then we have Brunch and Bubbles Mardi Gras, and this is Sunday the 19th at 9 a.m. So we'll get you some brunch on Sunday. Also another Sunday brunch at 10 a.m. This is going to be over at Jake and Henry's downtown Fort Walton Beach, over by Miracle Strip. Let's see what else. Then we have an exotic car show at O'Reilly's. And this is O'Reilly's Irish Pub downtown, so you can check that out as well. We have another Sunday, Mardi Gras compound crawl, so you can check that out if you have interest, and that's over at Casey's Sandbar and Grill. Alright guys, those are our events for this weekend, and I hope you go out and have something fun. Go do something fun, have something fun too, whatever. So this is not my best report because, you feel weird, I'm so surprised how much they affect you, but anyway, except that I did myself silly teeth whiteners. Anyway, go have fun this weekend, make the best of it, and hopefully don't freeze your butt off because it is a little chilly outside. Alright, bye guys.